Hello and welcome to Pluralsight. Tim Warner here, welcoming you to this module entitled Installing Oracle Database 12c on Linux. I'm a big fan of Linux, to be honest with you. In fact, I'm a big fan of all operating systems, Windows, Linux, OS X, even older OSs like BOS. Anybody remember that one? In this module, we're going to focus on the how-to for laying down Oracle Database 12c on a specific distribution of Linux. We're going to use Oracle's own Linux here for many reasons. Number one, it's the easiest Linux to install Oracle on, in my humble opinion, and there's some reasons for that. Number two, it's based on Red Hat Linux, which is one of the leading distributions in the world. And number three, it's just a lot of fun. Bottom line is we're going to start with preparing for installation, pre-installation tasks. Actually, the way I've structured this module is very similar to how I structured the previous one in which we installed Oracle Database 12c on a Windows system. We'll spend most of our time performing the installation. As I warned you about in the previous module, there's more required of us as DBAs when we're installing on Linux than under Windows. And then cleaning up the system means making sure that we have our environment variables set up and that we have the Oracle instance configured to auto start every time the machine boots up. Without any further ado, let's get started.